Hello everyone. Today I have brought an amazing plan to help you improving your English, which is this story. All you have to do just observe this story and I will translate all the dialogues in English just after in Hindi. So please observe. You may also do the same in order to have your practice. You can visit KidsWith's channel to get more meaningful and good stories. And just after speaking and having the dialogue in Hindi, you may translate in English. Okay, so let's start.
कालू कौवा बहुत ही बेफिक्र कौवा था। उसने कभी किसी बात की परवाह नहीं की।
Kalu Crow was a careless crow. He never cared about anything in his whole life.
नहीं की और ये है उसका घोंसला, टूटा फूटा, सब कुछ बिखरा हुआ।
And this is his nest, where everything is broken and scattered.
क्या करना है, रहने से मतलब है। शो ऑफ नहीं करता मैं, सर पे छत होनी चाहिए बस।
I don't need any maintenance. I'm not fond of it. Just I want to live a simple life. All I need is a shed.
उस रात को एक तूफान आया।
He encountered a storm that night. Here I used a word encountered, which means when you face something undeliberately, means without planning. You may encounter any word, you may encounter any person. For example, I encountered a new word while reading newspaper. Today I encountered one of my old friends while I was going to the market.
और कालू कौवे की छत बह गई, दीवारें भी बह गई।
And the roof of Kalu Crow was washed away. Wall also was washed away.
कालू परेशान।
अरे मैं तो भीग गया, इतनी ठंडी है, तेज हवाएं भी चल रही है, बिजली भी कड़क रही है।
Kalu was worried. Oh, it's so chilled. It's so cold. I've got wet. And lightning is too. It's so chilled, wind is blowing.
मेरा घर टूट गया, चलो अब कहीं जाके और कोई आसरा ढूंढना पड़ेगा।
Oh no, my house got damaged. Now I'll have to go and find shelter somewhere else.
चिवताई के घर चला जाता हूँ, बड़ा घर है उनका, दीदी मुझे मना थोड़ी करेगी।
Oh yeah, I'll go to Chiutai's house. She has a big and beautiful house, and I don't think she will refuse to let me in.
चिवताई चिवताई, मैं कालू कौवा, दरवाजा खोलो ना।
Chiutai, Chiutai, please open the door. Here I am, Kalu Crow. Please open the door.
कालू भैया, हाँ जरा रुको, मैं अपने बच्चे को नहला रही हूँ।
Oh, Kalu Kawa, please wait. Actually, I'm giving bath to my baby.
थोड़ी देर में कौवे ने फिर आवाज लगाई।
जल्दी खोलो ना चिवताई, मैं पूरा भीग गया हूँ।
Few minutes later, he again started calling Chiutai. Please, Chiutai, open the door. I have got completely wet.
बस थोड़ा रुक जाओ, मैं अभी आ रही हूँ कौवा भैया।
Just wait for a while. I'm just coming, Crow.
बाहर कौवे की हालत खराब थी। वो ठंड से बुरी तरह से कांप रहा था।
Crow's condition was very bad, worst, because it was so chilled outside and his teeth were chattering and he was shivering due to cold. Here I used chattering word. His teeth were chattering, which means उसके दांत किटकिटा रहे थे due to cold outside. Due to excessive cold outside. Excessive cold means ज़्यादा ही ठंड होने की वजह से.
जल्दी खोलो ना चिड़िया बहन, मैं नहला दूंगा तुम्हारा बच्चा।
Please open the door, Chiutai. I will give bath to your baby.
हाँ हाँ, खोल दिया। आ जाओ अंदर कौवा भैया।
Okay, okay, I have opened now. Now please come.
आज बारिश में कैसे आना हुआ?
How come you came in the rain today?
बारिश का तूफान है ये। मेरा तो पूरा घर बह गया।
Hey, it's not a rain, it's a storm. You know, my whole house has destroyed badly and it washed away.
मुझे पता था तुम्हारे घर को कुछ नहीं होगा, बस तूफान के बाद चला जाऊंगा।
I knew nothing would happen to your house and it's just a storm. I would stay here for a while and just after getting normal everything, I will leave this place.
ठीक है, मैंने बहुत मेहनत से मजबूत घर बनाया है। आपने घर कमजोर बनाया था, इसलिए बह गया।
Okay, okay. I have built my house very strong with hard work, and you built your house weak, so that's why it washed away.
कालू कांपता हुआ अंदर आया और एक कुर्सी पर बैठ गया।
Kalu came inside while shivering due to cold and sat on sofa.
अरे रुको रुको, मैं टॉवल लाती हूँ, पोंछ के बैठो।
Wait, let me bring a towel for you and wipe yourself thoroughly, then you may sit on the sofa.
आहा,
लो कौवा भैया, ये टॉवल से पोंछो और यहाँ बैठ जाओ। मैं फटाफट नहा के आती हूँ।
Take this towel and wipe yourself thoroughly, and then you may sit on the sofa and just wait for me. I'll be just quickly come just after having shower.
हाँ हाँ च्युताई, तुम अपना काम कर लो, अब मैं यहीं रुकता हूँ।
Yes, Chutai, of course you may go. Until then, I'll wait here for you.
फिर चिवताई नहाने चली गई।
And then Chutai left for taking shower.
कौवा पहुंच के इधर उधर देखने लगा। उसने देखा कि स्टोव पे कुछ पक रहा है।
That Kalu Crow wiped himself and started looking around, and he noticed something was being cooked in the kitchen.
अरे वाह, खीर तो पूरी तैयार है। बढ़िया खुशबू भी आ रही है। जरा चक्की तो देख लूं, कैसी खीर बनाती है चिड़िया रानी।
Hey, wow, it's kheer and it's completely ready. Wow, it smells so nice. Let me taste it. How she cooks.
हाँ, गरम है। वाह, ये तो बहुत यमी है। चलो थोड़ी सी और खा लेता हूँ।
Oh, oops, it's so hot. Wow, but so yummy. Hey, let me eat some more.
च्युताई तो वैसे भी पतली सी है। मजा आ गया। गरम खीर खा के पूरे शरीर में गर्मी आ गई। थोड़ी और खा लेता हूँ। च्युताई इतनी खीर खाएगी?
Chutai is so thin. I don't think she can eat this much kheer. Okay, so let me eat it. Wow, it's so delicious and hot. I can feel the warmness in my whole body after eating this warm kheer.
क्या? बढ़िया है। अरे ये तो बहुत कम खीर बची है। अब इसमें च्युताई का तो पेट भी नहीं भरेगा।
Oh, it's so little. I don't think she'll be satisfied with this little kheer.
चलो खीर खत्म ही कर देते हैं।
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll finish whole kheer. I don't think this little she will be satisfied after eating.
मजा आ गया। चलो अब यहाँ सोफे पे थोड़ा पैर सीधा कर लेता हूँ।
Oh wow, really I enjoyed so much after eating this much delicious kheer. And now let me take some rest on sofa. Let me straighten my leg now.
कालू कौवा सारी खीर खत्म करके गहरी नींद में सो गया।
After finishing all the kheer, he started sleeping soundly on the sofa.
अरे ये तो सो गया। और ये क्या गिरा है यहाँ सफेद? ये तो खीर लगती है। कहीं ये मेरी खीर तो नहीं?
Oh, he has slept. But what is this on the floor? This looks like kheer. Is this my kheer? Oh no. Let me check it.
सत्यानाश हो इसका। मेरी सारी खीर खत्म कर दी। मैंने अपने बच्चे के लिए खीर बनाई और ये सारी चट कर गया।
Oh my god, it was my kheer. May he be destroyed totally. I made kheer for my baby and he finished all.
इसको घर में लिया, यही गलती कर दी मैंने। अभी सबक सिखाती हूँ मैं इसको।
I made a mistake while letting him in and now let me teach him a lesson.
में थी, उसने गरम तवा लिया और कालू कौवे के सर पे दे मारा।
He took a pan and hit on Kalu Crow's head.
आई, सर फूट गया, जल गया, जल गया। च्यूताई, ये क्या कर रहे हो?
Oh my god, my head has burst and it's burning. Chiutai, what are you doing?
तूने मेरी खीर खाई? रुक, अभी और जलाती हूँ तुझको।
You ate my kheer? You finished my all kheer? Now let me burn you more.
नहीं, भागो, गलती हो गई। मुझे मत जलाओ, भागो, कभी नहीं आऊंगा यहाँ।
Oh my god, I accept. I made mistake. Oh my god, please don't punish me. It's getting pain.
बस उस दिन से चिड़िया और कौवे की दुश्मनी है, वो एक दूसरे से बात भी नहीं करते।
So from that day onwards, bird and crow have strong enmity with each other and they don't even talk to each other. So guys, if you really could learn anything from this story, let me know. I'll make more stories like this which will help you to improve your English and adding a lot of words. Thank you so much.